Hi, I'm Tanya, and welcome to Cook with Paulson. I'm here with a high protein recipe which is Paneer Paratha. Add 2 cups of wheat flour into a bowl, 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt, some oil, and mix well with your hand. Add some water bit by bit and start kneading it slowly. Knead the dough for around 10 minutes until it's smooth and set it aside for 30 minutes. To prepare the filling, we have to grate some paneer, add some chopped onion, green chillies, and coriander into it, with also some finely chopped ginger, salt, Amchur powder, and Garam masala. Mix it really well with your hand and set it aside. Here comes the main part, which is rolling out the parathas with the filling. Divide the dough into equal balls. Spread some flour on the surface which you intend to roll out the parathas. Initially, you only have to partially roll it out and add the filling on top. Make sure it's a generous filling so that the parathas are tasty. After you have filled the dough with the filling, just gently roll it out with very mild pressure. If you give too much pressure, the filling may come out. Because there is the filling, we don't have to make it too thin. Cook the parathas in medium heat and spread some ghee on both the sides while cooking. Make sure that you are not overcooking the parathas, as there is a chance that the parathas could go burnt. Mostly these parathas are eaten with yogurt or pickles. I'm adding some butter to it and also eating it with some yogurt as well as some pickle.